Hey guys, this is India Trading Academy. My name is Dave. Welcome to the weekly update of Nifty. Now, before we start, let me tell you something. We are actually closing down our group course by this 15th or 20th of June. So, if you're planning to join any group session, please do it before 15th because after that, we are actually gonna have only one single course for the entire trading strategy and the knowledge we have, which will be one-on-one session. So, that's the update from ITA. Now, let's get started quickly in Nifty. So निफ्टी इज एक्चुअली ट्राइंग टू मूविंग अप नाउ दिस वीक के लिए हमने यहाँ पर शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेड्स एग्जीक्यूट करना है कीप इन माइंड बिकॉज जो पैटर्न हम लोग यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हैं दिस पैटर्न इज नॉट कंफर्म्ड फॉर दिस मूव नीदर फॉर दिस मूव at this scenario we will be taking very short term trades like till this 618 or something if we want to buy this thing once it reaches there we can pay attention whether it's going to do this or maybe it's possibly reverse because if this is the first impulse for the downside they will possibly reversing around that area. All right, so possibly we would be looking for 618. Around 618 we might be looking for some trend continuation for the upside or exact reversal for the downside. Pretty good. This is the potential for this week for very short term, and once we reach here we should be looking for continuation pattern or reversal pattern for the downside or upside. So nevertheless this move is left, so that will be a short term trade based on this pattern and structure. Only that trade is acceptable right now. जैसे जैसे market hours चलते जाएंगे you'll get more information about the Nifty that in which direction it's going to head, but for Monday or Tuesday it will be very short lived. Okay, so if you are in buy, pay really close attention on this 6 minute. Okay, so that's the update from India Trading Academy. I'm sorry guys, this is quick, but we are working on so many things right now. So I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.